Today we discuss about one of the famous application, Google Forms. For entering into Google Forms, you just search Google Forms in Google. Click this link and click Google Forms Personal. If you want to use any application from Google, first you have to log in into the Google account. So here I log in my account. Now we are entering into the Google Forms. By using Google Forms, we can organize surveys and conduct quizzes. Okay, here this is the setting option. Just click it. If you want to collect email from the respondent automatically, you have to select this option. If you want to limit one response from one user, then you have to select this option. Otherwise, you just leave it. For presentation, if you want to show the progress bar in your Google form, you just select this option and you can shuffle the questions for each user automatically using this option. Okay. Now, if you are going to create a quiz, then you just select this option, turn this option, then it will convert this form into quiz. Okay, this is the option. It's a default option. It is used to evaluate the answers for the respondent immediately. Otherwise, if you want to evaluate the answers later, you just select this option. Okay, these are the default options for missed questions. Show the missed questions and correct answer and point values scored by the respondent. Okay, after that you save the settings. Now your form is in the format of quiz. This is the title. You can give title of your Google form. So general knowledge. Okay, this is my Google form title, and here you can give your description of your work. I am going to conduct quiz. Okay, just give quiz as a description. This is the default field. It will automatically created. It collects the email address of the each respondent. Okay, then I want to get the name of the each respondent. So I have add one more question. This belongs to the type of short answer. Okay, we can create our quiz as two-fold formats. In first fold, we just get the email address and name of the respondent. In the next fold, we organize the questionnaires. So here I have split the section, add section. So in first fold, we are having two fields. In the next field, next section, I give the title as questions. Okay, here you have to add the questions. I'm already prepared some questions regarding general knowledge. Who is the first Prime Minister of India? Patel. Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajaji, and Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay. For automatic evaluation, we can add the answer for this question. So the Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India, and we can assign the point for this question. So automatic evaluation will calculate the correct answers. Then make it is done. Then you have to select this option required. That means the respondent should answer this question. He can't omit this question. So after that you have to add the next question. So in this question my answer type is checkbox, because the respondent can answer more than, the respondent can select more than one option. So answer for this question is pen drive and hard disk. 1 point for correct answers and make it as required. Okay. The next question. So it is also a multiple choice question. The answer for this question is 234. 1, done, and make it is required. The next question is I give the answer type is short answer. Okay, so I am going to add the last question. Is a true or false type question. Now I have created my quiz. Everything is created. In first fold, I have get the input of the user email and the name. In the next fold, I have created my questions. Okay. In Google Form, we are having some options for successful completion of quiz. We can give certificates to the respondents. For that, you just go to settings, go to this point and select this add-ons option. Here many applications are available. You can install which one you need. Okay. For creating a certificates, we need Certify Them applications. Certify Them application. It is one of the add-on of Google Form. I have already installed it. You just click here. Once again, I show you how to install add-ons. Certify Them. it is already installed. For your understanding, I just uninstall it. And again I am going to install this app in my system. This is the install option. You just click this, continue. This is my account. You have to select the allow option to Google Form. Now the application is installed in our system. Just close this. Here the installed add-ons are available. You just click this. Now it shows the controls. Okay, you just select show certify them controls. You have to turn on the certification for this Google Form. There's a lot of options. You can select the pass percentage. Now certification is on. It is linked with this quiz. This is the passing percentage. You can fix any percentage as passing percentage. 60, 50, 70, anything. Now I fixed 70% is the passing percentage of this quiz. Okay, this is the template. Here we are having many templates. Default templates are available. You can select, you can create your custom template also. Here I am using the default template type golden as my certificate style. Okay, now our quiz is ready. This is the preview option. This is the send option. You can send your quiz link to the respondent, any respondents. Just click this. Here you can give the respondent mail ID. And just send. Now your link is sent to that particular user. He can respond, he can answer your questions. Now I just run this Google form. This is the first fold of our form. Here I am giving my mail ID. Okay, then select next option. Here the questions are shuffled. It is not in the form of as it is in the creating sequence. It is automatically shuffled for each user. The answer is Nehru. Here true. 234. Now I have answered all the questions in the quiz. You can't omit any question because we have selected the required option for all the questions, so you have to answer all the questions. If you want to give option to the user whether he can answer or not, then you can you don't give the required option for that question. Okay, finally we have to submit. Now our response is submitted to the quiz. Okay, I return back to the quiz form. Here the response is saved here. I just close this. Now my response is saved here. You scored 5 out of 5. So all the responses are stored here. You can download the response as in the form of .csv file, that is Excel format. You can download all the responses as in the form of Excel file. Okay, so now I have completed my quiz. Now I am going to check whether I have received my certificates. Yeah, I have received my certificate. This is the username. The certificates declares that the respondent name has completed. This is our title of the quiz, and it shows the date when that particular quiz is conducted, and here it shows the percentage of scores the respondent has scored. It is the unique ID of this certificate. It will automatically generated. This is the unique ID of this certificate. So we receive the certificate from the Google Forms automatically. It will automatically generate and send it to the respondent. I hope you enjoy this session. It will definitely useful to conduct surveys and quizzes to your students and friends. Thank you.